didn't mean to. You ruined my bag.
Emma, what's happened?
I ruined everything.
Let's see what we can do.
Wow, you're a magician. Mia, come here. Wow, it got better. Thank you, sister.
Any problem can be fixed, especially if you've got friends around.
My nails are so good. Kate, I need your help. I can't do anything. My nails are too long. No problem. Let me help you. No, that should be an hour away. Okay, let's go to the doctor.
What's happened to you?
I can't do anything because of my nails.
I get it. We need a special tool. All done.
Wow.
Remember, nails this long are not suitable for children. They are dangerous and harmful germs.
Oh, thank you, doctor.
Oh
I feel good.
no! Emma, water on the floor is dangerous. You can slip.
Yes, I can.
I don't want anyone to slip. Better clean it up right now.
Let me help you, Mia.
Well done.
Mommy, let's play.
I need to wash the dishes and clean the table. Then we can play together.
I want to play now.
You can help me with the dishes and the food on the table. And we will play sooner.
Really? Of course, I will help you. Yes!
Thank you, darling. Okay, I'm first. Close your eyes. You're cleaning your room. You're cleaning your room. You're cleaning your room.
New toy. New toy. New toy.
Okay. This.
Toy.
You're cleaning your room. This.
Toy.
Oh no. Oh no. You're not cleaning your room.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this.
Toy.
Okay, I will buy you new toy. This. You're not cleaning your room. Okay.
Yes. Ew. Wait. I forgot to brush my teeth.
Oh no. Emma, are you coming?
Oh no, I forgot my books.
Can we go now?
Yes. Oh, I forgot my shoes.
Come on.
Wait, I forgot my jacket. I'm ready.
I missed the bus.
Oh, we're late again.
Oh, I know what might help.
I'm ready.
Wow, we're not even late. Where should I put the plate?
You can sit here.
Oh no.
Emma, it's a bad habit to scatter food around when you eat.
I don't litter. That's not me.
It's unpleasant to eat at a dirty table. Don't leave a mess behind. You have to respect other people.
I'm sorry, Mia. I'll clean everything now.
Let me help you. Emma, what's wrong?
The packaging was torn.
I know one trick. Look.
Oh, thank you, sister.
You're welcome. Emma, I need your help in bathroom.
What?
Let's stick these pictures up and you'll never forget to flush the toilet and turn off the tap after all.
This will help me.
Here's another reminder.
Oh, it's good now. Thank you, Mia.
Let's start challenge yes or no. Are you ready?
Yay!
Okay, let's go. The first, yes or no?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. For me. Yes or no?
Yes. No.
Next, yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You say yes!
Now I will eat you. Huh? Huh? Mia, my stomach is telling me something. What should I do?
What did you eat?
I ate chips, chocolates, and drink soda.
Emma, I think your stomach is trying to tell you to eat healthy food. Chips are unhealthy. It's better to eat a banana instead of cake. Eat an apple. Don't drink soda. Drink water instead.
Wow, thank you, sister, for useful lesson.
Emma, wait!
Huh?
When you're eating, you need to use cutlery, spoon or fork.
Oh, later, I understand.
Emma, stop!
What?
You need to wipe your mouth with a napkin after eating.
Okay.
Emma, stop!
What happened?
After lunch, you need to clean your plate.
Okay.